Guys, can you see how hot and sweaty it is today just from my face? Sorry that I probably look a little bit of a mess, hardly got any makeup on, got a very sweaty upper lip and a sweaty face in general, to be honest. So lovely. I even put mascara on. Like, honestly, if I put mascara on right now, I have a feeling it would just melt off, so we're not going to do that. But yeah, I really wanted to film today. I wanted to film a clothing video that was a little bit of a different style for my channel. Obviously, you guys know I do a lot of hauls, I do a lot of shopping, but I feel like recently I've had a little bit of a revamp of my wardrobe. I've kind of gone through and picked out things that I don't wear anymore and obviously put them on Depop or donated them or whatever it is, and kind of like rediscovered pieces that I maybe wasn't wearing as much, and I thought I would do a video styling those pieces and showing you how I wear them. This video is actually partially sponsored by Tefal as well, because they very kindly sent me their Access Steam Care steamer recently and I have literally been obsessed with this. I feel like anyone that knows me knows that I have always tended to use steamers over irons anyway. As soon as I discovered the world of steamers, I have just not used an iron since. I'm gonna insert a clip of how I actually use this as well. It's really simple. You literally just pop this front bit off and fill it up and then plug it in and switch it on, and it only takes about 40 seconds to heat up, which is amazing. It comes with a few different attachments in terms of what fabric you're using and what fabric you're steaming, which is amazing. It has a really cool attachment to actually stop water droplets from getting through when you're steaming, which is perfect for me because I feel like any other steamer that I've used has always got water droplets on my clothes. It also comes with a little hanger and a little board that you hang on your door, which you'll see in the see in the clip where I'm using it, which I really like because it's quite difficult sometimes. When I used to use a different steamer or whatever, it never came with anything like that. So the fact that I actually have something to hang on the door rather than just trying to hold the piece of clothing that I'm using or hang it on the door, but then usually the hanger falls off or whatever else, it's just a really little handy thing to have that comes with it. Obviously it's really easy to store. It actually kills up to 99.9% of bacteria on your clothes as well, which is perfect for me as well when I was doing my wardrobe declutter, because obviously I have a lot of old clothes and clothes that I've not used in a long time, so being able to sanitize them and steam them at the same time is perfect. Also, having a steamer, I feel like it just encourages me to wear a lot of the pieces that I wasn't necessarily wearing. For example, some of the shirts that I've got in this haul. There's actually one shirt in particular which is the pale blue shirt, which is back here. I just was not wearing it because I bought it 3 months ago and it was so creased when it arrived, and ironing shirts especially is really difficult to do. So having a steamer, which is just super quick and easy, definitely doesn't really take any skill to use or anything like that. It's just a lot easier for me to do. Kind of helps you to be a little bit more sustainable in terms of your wardrobe and fashion as well, because I feel like there's definitely been a lot of pieces in my wardrobe that I'm going to get a lot more use out of now that I have this to use. So yeah, I'm going to leave all of the information for Tefal down below if you would like to have a look and get more information on the steamer yourself or purchase one yourself. All of that information will be down below, and I'm going to get started with the actual video before I literally melt. I'm going to stand up for the rest of the video, A, because I feel like I'll stay a little bit cooler if I'm stood up, and B, because I've got this little clothes rail back here. I don't want to do this video using a clothes rail just so that I could organise what I was doing and hang stuff up, obviously, as I steamed it. So I'm actually going to start with how I style bikinis, or how I'm going to style bikinis this year. Obviously, I'm going to Mykonos with Rach and Mads, which I will have... Oh my god, I actually will have been and gone by the time this video's up, which makes me very sad to think about. Yeah, I'm going to Mykonos with Rach and Mads, so I've ordered a lot of bikinis and a lot of kind of cover-ups or shirts or whatever it is to go with them. So this is the bikini that I've used just to style in this video. So this is a bikini from PLT. It's basically just a cream bandeau with this really pretty gold detail in the middle. The bottoms are basically the same. You'll see in the try-on clip, which I'll probably put the try-on clips in here because they are vertical. So one way that I'm thinking about kind of wearing bikinis in terms of with a cover-up is with a shirt. So this is just a white shirt, again from PLT. It's just a really kind of thin, I don't actually know what you would describe this material as, because it's not normal shirt cotton material, if that makes sense. It's more of a thin sheer material, as you can see. It's very like beachy. I kind of wanted like a beachy shirt to go with my bikinis because I feel like it's just a really light thing to put over them. Still looks really cute, looks really clean and crisp because it's just a white shirt. This, by the way, was literally the easiest thing to steam. Like, can I just say, when this arrived from PLT, the creases were like severe. Like, it was so creased, and it literally took me like probably 30 seconds to steam this. But yeah, I really like this. It's got some pockets as well. And just to go with like gold jewelry, I feel like with bikinis, it's really nice to kind of accessorize them because obviously it's just a bikini. So I like to just wear like little dainty gold jewelry, some little hoops, and then obviously just some like little sandals to go with. So I really like this shirt to like layer with my bikinis. And then another way I kind of like to style them is with like a sheer skirt. So this is kind of like a sarong style skirt, I would say. This again is PLT. It's just a cream like skirt, and it's got quite a deep kind of like plunge in the center. You'll see it better in the try on clip. But it's kind of like ruched in the center, and it's got this little layer at the front. Okay, and then moving on to like a little summery outfit. So this right here is basically a pair of shorts and like a little white bralette, as you can see. This white bralette I actually pair with a lot of things in this video because I feel like little crop tops like this are just really versatile in summer, really easy to throw on and pair with things. This style of short I absolutely love for summertime at the minute. So I've got this pair, which are just like a baby blue from PLT, and then I've also got a black pair that are a very similar style from a different store as well. I feel like I like cycling shorts, and I have got cycling shorts in this video as well, but especially when it's like really warm, like today, this is the kind of thing that I would wear just because they're not like hugging your skin, they're not really tight, they're not going to kind of get you really warm, but they are still high-waisted and really cute on. So I feel like it makes a really cute outfit just with like a pair of white trainers. And then this is the shirt that I actually have not worn yet because I've literally just dreaded ironing it, but obviously now that I have my steamer, I will be wearing it a lot more. I probably wouldn't pair these together. I paired it for the sake of having a shirt to go over these. They're very, I mean, I kind of would, I don't know, I feel like because they're both blue, but they're different types of blue. This is more of like a teal blue. I'm not sure if they kind of clash, but to be honest, I feel like it actually looks really nice in the try on clip as well. Thin shirts like this, I just really love for summertime to like layer with cycling shorts, these kind of shorts, like whatever it is, obviously bikinis as well. And then speaking of shirts, I picked out this shirt to talk about as well because I really love this shirt at the minute. Shirts in general are just really good for summertime because you can kind of put them on as if they would be a jacket, and it's something to like layer, but it's still really thin and it's not going to get you like too warm. This one is just from PLT, and I basically paired it with my misguided cycling shorts and then also a white crop top as well, the same white crop top from the last try on clip, the last outfit. So yeah, just like black cycling shorts and a white crop top. Any kind of crop top with cycling shorts is what I usually wear, either like a cropped hoodie, a crop top, whatever it is. But yeah, really love shirts like this. They're super versatile. I like the colour of this one as well because it's like check, so it's still patterned, but it's still really neutral. And then another way that I styled the cycling shorts outfit, if you want to make it a bit dressier, is with a blazer. So this is actually the blazer that I mentioned in my vintage haul. It's very oversized, so I feel like it's kind of nice for a cycling shorts and bralette kind of outfit because it's a little bit more of like a statement piece. Just for something a little bit dressier in the evenings, I feel like this would look really cute with a pair of black strappy heels. I feel like you could almost do like a day to night with that outfit because I feel like as soon as you put a blazer on with cycling shorts, it instantly looks dressy, whereas with the shirt, it obviously looks a lot more casual. And then in terms of the actual blazer itself, I feel like another really nice way to style it is as a blazer dress, of course. So this one is a very big blazer. It's borderline too big for me, to be honest. Like the shoulder pads are huge. But I feel like if you were to do that, you could either wear it open and have it like that so it's even more dressy, or you could make it into a blazer dress and just add a black belt. In this case, I would pair this with a black belt and some strappy heels. Just very like boss vibes, do you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like a blazer dress or like an oversized blazer that you turn into a blazer dress is just very like bad bitch boss vibes. So I feel like in winter as well, I have an outfit in mind for this with my long over the knee biker boots. I feel like this would look so good with that because I saw that on a TikTok as like a fashion video. Someone paired like a blazer, kind of like this, like a black blazer with over-knee biker boots, and it literally looked so good. Okay, white shirts. White shirts to me are like an actual staple in your wardrobe. Like, you always need a good white shirt. This shirt, again, I put off wearing because it gets so creased, and knowing now that I can steam it really easily, like, I can just tell I'm gonna wear it a lot more. I feel like this would look really cute with nude cycling shorts. That's how I styled it for one of the try-on clips, is what I'm trying to say. Just with a pair of nude cycling shorts, I feel like it looks really cute. I also paired it with like a little black bag. I feel like that's a lot more summery and a lot more like daytime, but you could also put on some like perspex heels and make this an evening outfit, and it would look really cute like that as well. And then in terms of like a winter outfit, I paired this with leather pants, which I have a pair of leather pants that I absolutely love, and I bought them in the sale like 2 months ago, and I cannot wait to wear them in winter. Like, I'm so excited because I feel like the leather pants would look really cute with like the white bralette, for example, as well. But just tucked into some leather pants with like a pair of black heels, and again that little black bag, which is from Misguided. Absolutely love it. I feel like it makes a really cute outfit. But yeah, I really love this. White shirts in general are just so versatile. Like, there's so many different ways you could wear this. You could wear this with jeans, you can tie them into like a little knot at the front, or you can tuck them in, or you can have them out. I just feel like they're really good staple pieces. So yeah, love having this in my wardrobe. Okay, another thing that I love wearing at the minute is like summer day dresses. Sorry, I feel like it's gone suddenly quite dark. So for example, I've got this dress on here, which is an ASOS dress. It's actually like a maxi dress, which you can't tell obviously right now, but it is a maxi dress. This dress I really love as well. I just love like dainty dresses for this time of year when it's quite hot outside. Obviously very easy to style as well because it basically is just a dress. So this dress, for example, I actually wore to breakfast this morning with Million Dom. It's actually the dress that Mads picked out for me for my friends Choose My Outfits video, and I absolutely love it. It's from Misguided. Just again with a little black bag. I actually paired this with my black slides, which I'm currently wearing now, and they're just like so, they're like little fairy slides. But yeah, summer dresses in general I just think are a staple at the minute, because especially when it's really hot outside but you don't want to wear shorts for whatever reason, summer dresses are just like perfect. Okay, and then I thought I'd quickly talk to you guys about how I style my like sweats. I was like, what is the word? So this cropped sweater, for example, this is from PLT. I've actually had this for years, literally for years, but I feel like loungewear and sweats is just something that I wear all year round, because obviously we do have days in summer as well where it does get quite cold. So this, for example, I paired it with my matching grey joggers. They're not actually matching on the website, but one thing that I do really like to do with my loungewear and my hoodies and my joggers is to actually just like pair them as if they were a co-ord. I kind of like that vibe. Like, I'll wear black joggers with like a little black top, for example, or whatever it is. But I really love having sweaters that are kind of oversized and baggy, especially on the sleeves here. I really like my joggers quite cinched on the waist, but then quite a baggy top, or alternatively like a little cropped bralette. Okay, and then the last thing I have that I want to share with you guys that I really do think is a staple, and again this is more of a winter piece, but I feel like I could do a part 2 of this anyway and talk more about like other things if you guys want me to. But it's oversized zip-up jackets. Oh my goodness gracious me. This was a proper investment, this piece. Like, I paid a lot of money for this. It's Puma Fenty, so it was part of Rihanna's collection, and that collection was not cheap by any means, but this is literally the best quality zip-up I've ever had. So yeah, really love this. I paired this with cycling shorts and a black top because, as I said, I really like to do loungewear as if it's all a co-ord. So I feel like you can never go wrong with all black everything. Do you know what I mean? Like, it just always looks really cute, and you can definitely dress this up as well. Like, you could put little perspex heels on with this and it would look like a really cute outfit. Yeah, I also paired it with the cycling shorts and just a little black top, which is actually more of a corset top. And in terms of corsets, I really like wearing them with jeans. I feel like corsets and jeans always look really cute together. So yeah, that is pretty much my current go-to outfits and how I'm currently styling my wardrobe. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up anyway, because I'm literally sweating buckets filming it. A big thank you to Tefal for sponsoring part of this video and for gifting their steamer. I'm actually really tempted to take it on holiday with me, even though it is like, I feel like I have to be quite stingy with what I pack, so there's always a lot that I want to pack. But yeah, it's really, really easy to use. I will leave all of the information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Let me know what outfit was your favourite, because I would really like to know. I'd be really interested to know what you guys kind of like to wear. And if you do want to see another one of these, obviously let me know as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get going. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.